In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to finish more projects faster with lists in Slack. We'll move from a blank slate to a trackable list with clear owners and deadlines, all inside the Slack workspace you already use every day. Start by opening Slack on desktop or in your browser and head to Files. You can find it in the left sidebar. Files is where Slack stores documents, canvases, and now, lists. Going here keeps everything discoverable for your team and makes your new list easy to find later. Inside Files, look for the plus sign to create something new. Click that to start a fresh item. This is your doorway to a new list, and using the button here ensures the list lives alongside other shared resources, not buried in a random message thread. From the creation options that appear, choose List. Slack offers different content types, so picking List tells Slack you want a lightweight project tracker with columns like assignee and due date. If you ever click the wrong type, don't worry, you can back up and select List without losing progress. Next, give your list a clear, action-focused title. Think of it like a project headline that anyone can understand at a glance. For example, instead of something vague, aim for something specific such as Q2 launch tasks or onboarding checklist. Short, descriptive titles make searching and sharing much easier later on. After your title is in place, refine it as needed. If you spot a better phrasing or want to clarify scope, click back into the title to edit. Keeping names consistent with how your team talks about the work helps alignment. If your list shows optional fields or structure you don't need, tidy those up so the view stays clean and focused on what matters. Now, assign ownership. In the assignee column, click and choose the teammate responsible for each item. Assigning a single, clear owner prevents tasks from slipping through the cracks. Slack will keep the context nearby, and the person you select can follow along, comment, and update status without switching tools. Finally, set a deadline. Click the due date field and pick a realistic date to keep momentum steady. Choose dates your team can commit to and avoid stacking too many items on the same day. Due dates provide a shared target and make it easy to scan what needs attention first. That's it. You've navigated to Files, created a new list, titled and refined it, assigned owners, and added due dates, all in Slack. Use this flow whenever a project begins so everyone can see what's happening, who's doing it, and when it will be done.